Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this wonderful Alpina Glashutte pocket watch in silver case. It's a pin set, as you can see. Arabic numerals, cathedral type hands. This is the back of the watch. There are two initials, maybe the first owner of the watch, an A and a B. There are a few markings on the inner case. You can see silver stamp and UH, Union Horlogerie Glashutte. The dust cover, and now let's show you the movement. This is the movement. The rare caliber, very good movement, maybe made by an Ebosch, made by Lecoultre. It has a swan link regulator. I think this one is fully jeweled, maybe 17 jewels, I think. So this is another perspective of the watch. It's a wonderful piece, wonderful made pocket watch by Alpina. It's a rare movement inside this pocket watch. Nice caliber. Beautiful movement, has a nice finish. Wonderful Alpina pocket watch. It works very nice. It gives a very accurate time. It's an extraordinary pocket watch. Beautiful caliber inside. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like this wonderful pocket watch, this special Alpina. Have a nice day and stay safe.